Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to react on Telegram messages, and now let's dive right in. Now to react on Telegram messages, first open up your Telegram app, and over here guys, open up the chat box on which you want to react. Guys, either it's your messages or theirs, it won't matter, you'll be reacting on the same way. Now in order to react on the message, you can see where you had sent the message, there's a time on there. The first message got the 142, tap on that time and you can see guys, this kind of interface will appear. You can also tap to the left by guys, but if you tap on the text, another thing will open. The text might be of another use, so you might want to tap at the time side where there is the time available, and the reactions will appear like this on any message. So let's try it for the links, and there it is. But if you tap on the link itself, it will open another link. So let's do that for the picture. Tap on the time side. So guys, it's not available for the picture, so tap and hold on it, and there's the reaction available for us. So guys, the way to react on messages are different. So let's tap on the time on the call, and it will start another video call. You can react to it. So it works both ways, either it's your message or it's somebody else's message. Tap and hold on it, there is the message available there is the reactions available for us. Similarly on the picture, the time is over there and you'll be able to react on it. So this way guys, if you tap on the picture, it will open another thing. You might want to tap and hold on the picture, but guessing by that, tapping on the time is the best way. So there guys, this is how to react on Telegram messages, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.